Hey everyone! Tired of dealing with redness on your skin? Let's fix it with these 4 simple tips. 1. Choose gentle skincare. Switch to a mild, fragrance-free cleanser and soothing moisturizer. Look for ingredients like aloe vera and niacinamide that calm inflammation and hydrate your skin without irritation. 2. Protect with SPF. Always use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30. Sun exposure can make redness worse, so keep your skin protected daily. 3. Watch your diet. Certain foods can trigger redness. Try cutting back on spicy foods, alcohol, and caffeine. Instead, eat plenty of antioxidant-rich fruits and vegetables to help reduce inflammation. 4. Seek professional advice. If redness persists despite these changes, consult a dermatologist. They can provide personalized treatments and advice tailored to your skin's needs. There you have it, 4 easy steps to manage redness and achieve a more even complexion. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.